Volkswagen of America announced the 2024 Golf GTI 380, a special equipment set standard on every 2024 manual transmission GTI. Available exclusively in the North American market, this special edition build combination celebrates the heritage of the manual transmission in VW's hot hatches during the final year of 3-pedal production for Golf GTI and Golf R. The GTI 380 conveys our appreciation for the enthusiasts who have continually demonstrated their love for the manual-equipped GTI for over 4 decades, said Peter Danilovic, Senior Vice President of Product Marketing for Volkswagen of America. GTI 380 trims are powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine with 241 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. This model is the last Golf GTI to be offered with a 6-speed manual, while the 7-speed dual-clutch transmission will carry forward on future GTI models and on the Golf R. The Golf GTI 380 incorporates design and performance-enhancing elements valued by Volkswagen enthusiasts and pairs them with an exclusive color to bring a truly special equipment set to every manual transmission trim. Enthusiasts will appreciate standard adaptive damping system and multi-spoke gloss black 19-inch aluminum alloy wheels. A gloss black painted roof pairs with gloss black mirror caps, and stands out against the classic red exterior detailing of GTI. Inside, the GTI 380 pays homage to the storied history of GTI with a golf ball-inspired manual shift knob present on every generation of GTI and honeycomb accents. S and SE trims feature classic scale paper plaid cloth seats. Vienna leather seating surfaces come standard for the Autobahn trim and are optional on the SE trim. The 2024 Volkswagen Golf GTI 380 goes on sale in early fall 2023,